guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working on the front porch decor for Christmas. I've got little Miss Emma hanging down here while Chris mows the little bit of the yard. And I'm going to show you some of the things that I got today. I unexpectedly found these wreaths and I was so impressed with them. So here they are here. They were $19.88 each. They're very much like realistic feeling. The quality is really, really good. Look at that. I thought they were really nice. I'm gonna take the bow off and do something different, but for $19, you really can't beat that, especially because I needed two. Here's Hazel. Sweet girl. Speaking of Hazel, we got these from Home Depot. This one looked like Hazel. That one looked like Ruby, so I wanted something super classy and elegant, but the kids wanted this, and that is what we decided to get. And then I also picked this up today. Again, we went to Walmart. I wasn't expecting to get this, but I've been wanting to do the front porch, so it worked out. Two pre-lit 3.5 foot trees with a base. I'm going to be spray painting that for $25 for both. Then I got these spotlights. It was 80 degrees yesterday. It's about 70 something today. I got my little sidekick right there, ready to go. Is this gonna be your first Christmas? Is this my baby's first Christmas? Huh? Say I got a tooth that come in. Yes, I sure do. I got a toothy that came in. Yes, ma'am. I was so happy I found these at Walmart. I've been on the hunt for something very affordable for the front porch, and these were just perfect. Only $25 for both, and I want to encourage you guys, if you find something you like, it doesn't quite fit your style or your decor, you can always spruce it up. You can flock trees for just about nothing. You can buy the flocking off of Amazon or spray it. Hobby Lobby, Walmart, all kinds of places sells the spray, and then you can just paint the base any color you want. There's Noah living his best life, blowing off the road right in front of us, and I'm back to flocking these trees, and I really like how they turned out. Let me know what you guys going on your front porch. Also, go ahead and search Facebook Marketplace, Goodwill, Salvation Army, Big Lots. You can find some really amazing affordable things. Using regular old acrylic craft paint. You can buy it for $1. I'm just putting it on here. Didn't do anything special, and it really just transformed the look of these little trees. Here is my little Ruby dog. This is a really cute addition to our front yard. I've never had anything like this before, so I was really excited, and the kids were super excited. I also picked up some of this ribbon from Target. This is the 1-inch red and green velvet ribbon. I had mentioned before I wanted to add a different ribbon to the front of these wreaths. I like a very natural, cozy, organic look. I don't want it too overdone. I mean, I have a very whimsical style for sure, but when it comes to Christmas, I love this like drapey ribbon, and so I wanted to add this. I didn't like the way it turned out at the very end, so I will be changing that, so stay tuned for the very end. You'll see how I change it up, but I really love the way these wreaths are. They feel so good, and they really do look and feel lifelike. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up. I still have my Halloween mat out, and I'm going to just take it away, and I definitely need to pressure wash this. I'm going to do that soon, but not in today's video, and I'm going to add just our regular welcome mat right back. I am really trying to not just overspend. I've had trouble in the past few years with overspending, and I always say not to do it, so I'm trying to you know, go by my own advice. I showed you the command hooks. I use the clear ones to hang up wreaths on the door during these summer and really hot months. They don't hold up as well if the wreath is really heavy, but these are really light, so it should be fine. And then our snowman kept falling over, so I'm going to re-stake him into the ground, and then I'm going to put together our little sweet hazel addition to the front. You guys, I was so excited the way this all turned out. It looks so good. It's so festive, and the kids really like it, which that is all that matters. I'm just going to sweep off the front porch as I finish decorating and adding more items. I'm going to keep it very minimal this year because I love the way the fall items look, but let me just be honest, I got overwhelmed with it super quick. So less is more, and I'm going to show you how all this comes together. But real quick, before I do, this is the candle that was out since fall. Yeah, the heat here in Florida is something else. I got these pillows actually from Walmart online. They are, I think it's, the girl's name is the Texas House. I don't know. She's got beautiful items. So these are some pillow covers. They were only $12 each. I didn't think it was going to fit in the house, but it came out perfect for Christmas. And now we're going to put together this really cute little outdoor doggy. I love the way this came out. It was really, really cute. You'll hear me say that a lot. I love the way it turned out, but I really did, because when I decorate, I have an idea in my mind, but it always doesn't come out that way, and this started really just kind of taking a life of its own, and it was a lot of fun. Look at the picture of Hazel and Ruby. They definitely match, and I love the way it looks at night. I'm going to put together my little pencil tree. This tree is probably about 4 or 5, maybe even 6 years old. Actually, I think it's around 6 years old. I got it from Target online many, many years ago, and I love it. You'll see that there's still a little bit of like fake snow on it. I like to change this up a lot. It's so much fun, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, so it fit perfectly in our last house. If you remember, last year we were actually in the rental, so I did not get to use it, but I did get a new tree, so I'm excited to pull that out. But this one here has been with us all these years, and I love it. Well, since only a quarter of it worked, Chris is going to work on fixing that, and because this is off center, this isn't going to work, so I'm going to move this whole section to this side. Found this mirror off Facebook Marketplace. Right when we moved into this house, I was looking for something for this entryway. It's a tad small for the tall entryway. That's Emma in the back, but it does work out perfectly. I've been able to move it around the house. You know, it was in the little hallway there, but we actually put a desk there for Chris, so I'll show you that in another video. But I'm liking the way that this came out, especially with the garland. I love the richness of the green. It definitely adds kind of like that outdoor feels inside. I use these command hooks here. Command hooks are the way to go when hanging all of this. I did try to just put it up there. It didn't work. And then I tried some shipping tape. That didn't work, so definitely command hooks for the win.
falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
One year for Christmas, our family did a handmade Christmas, which was really a lot of fun. So my sister had actually made us these little, they're just little wood blocks with nativity on it. I'm looking for a nativity scene that I have that I can like pass down to my kids. But until I find one that catches my eye, I really, really love this one. I mean, I will always have this one because it's so special that she made it. She's so, so talented. I love her so much. But I love the way they look. It's like, again, that natural organic feeling. So really easy to do. As you can see, it's just wood blocks, and I guess she printed it out and kind of distressed it a bit, but it turned out so good. And then I'm going to take this lantern from outside just to add the depth of the dark colors and balance out this whole space. And I love it. It just feels so good. It hit the spot for me. This was my genius idea on keeping Emma contained. Hi, honey. Hey, you like the lights? You like the lights, Pumpkin Pie? Hi. The pumpkin baby. Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite ornaments. I've got the snow glistening on the magnolias, the angel wings, and then my sparkly pine cones. I love these. I usually add a little something every year, but as I had mentioned, last year we did not use this tree because we were at the rental. And this year, I don't know if I'm going to. I've really been liking the dark contrast of navy blues and blacks. So maybe I will. I don't know. Everything is always a work in progress. I had planned to have everything up a lot sooner than now, but honestly, I just could not get into it. I don't know if anybody else felt like that. I had told my neighbors that I plan on decorating the day after Halloween, and it just did not happen. With having a newborn, well, I guess she's not a newborn anymore. She's 6 months. My days are not my own anymore, and I'm so thankful for this new addition in our family. She just completes my heart so much, but it has definitely been a journey on trying to get the things done that I need to get done. Even cleaning the house or just taking care of my own basic needs. I know you guys can completely relate to that. So I did not decorate as quickly as I wanted to, but I'm doing it now, and I'm happy because it is starting to really come together and it feels so good. But I'm sure I'm going to continue to add things as I go along. I have these 3 lit up wicker looking trees. I got them from Kirkland's. I'm pretty sure they sell them this year still. I'm not 100% sure. I've had them for so many years. They have pretty much become staples in our Christmas decor. So I'm going to put them right here. I've also got to get a tree skirt or a tree collar of some sort. I wanted one from Walmart, but it is sold out, and I do not want to spend $40 to $60 on a tree collar. So I am still on the hunt. I'll probably head to Marshall's to try to see if I can find a really nice tree skirt. It is time to do my favorite part. When I found this model home, we had been looking for homes, but I did not ever even think that it would be a possibility to be able to look for a new home. But when this one came up and everything just fell into place, the first thing I thought about was the stair rail and at Christmas time. So I am so excited to put garland on here. I was not willing to spend $60 for 6 feet of garland, so I searched high and low for weeks, and I found this garland. It was $29.99. I got it 40% off, so it came out to about over $17, but it's 6 feet, and I got it from Michael's. It turned out so cute. I love it. My store didn't have enough, so I actually had more shipped to my house, but I needed a lot of it. I loved this garland because it also wasn't very prickly, if that makes any sense. It definitely felt more real life like.
About how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, gather around the fireplace.
So here's what it looks like. I hung it up with zip ties. There's definitely more that I want to do. I don't know if I want to add red ribbon or green ribbon. This is how I'm going to leave it for now. I'm going to have some dangling from there. But this is kind of what it looks like now. So in my next video, we're going to finish this up. I'm also going to put the other tree up and work on more parts of the house. So I'd love for you to consider subscribing so you can follow the journey of us decorating our new house. I'm just so thankful to be here this year. I'm so thankful for you guys this year. And yeah, let me show you one more thing I did. I couldn't get over the ribbons here were just too small, so I added these. I was looking for non-wired and they sent me wired, so I'm going to use it because I got it. But I like it. It gives a very just, I don't know, this one needs to be cut a little bit shorter. So I cut it real quick and there it is. I feel like it looks really just, I don't want to say not old-fashioned, but just natural. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget, my next one will be more decorating. Bye, guys.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace.